Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we will learn about the problem of binomial distribution in which we have to use namely two formulas. One for that expected value E of x is equal to NP, and second formula is variance of x is equal to NPQ. Question is, let x follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. First part of question is, if n equal to 10, expected value of x is equal to 5, then we have to find p and variance of x. Question number 2 is, if E of x is equal to 5 and variance of x is equal to 2.5, then we have to find the value of n and p. Now let's see the solution of first part. In the first part, we have given that x follows binomial distribution with parameter np. Also, in the question, we have given n, that is number of trials, is equal to 10. At the same time, we have given that expected value of x, that is also called mean, and that given as 5. And our aim is to find the value of p and variance of x. Now first we write the formula for mean, that is E of x is equal to NP. Substituting corresponding values of E of x and n, that is 5 is equal to 10 into p, and therefore 5 upon 10 is equal to p. Now here we go for cancellation, and that p equal to, now 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So in this way we get p is equal to 1 by 2. Then we use a relation between p and q, that p plus q is equal to 1. Therefore q is equal to 1 minus p. Therefore q equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. In this way q equal to, we get 1 by 2. And finally we can easily find the variance of x, that equal to NPQ. For n we substitute 10, for probability p 1 by 2, and for q also 1 by 2. So here we get 10 upon 4, that is go on cancellation, so 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, so we get 5 upon 2, that is 2.5. So finally variance of x is equal to 2.5. So in this way we complete the first part of the problem. Now we consider the second part of a problem. In second part we have given that expected value of x is equal to 5 and variance of x is equal to 2.5, and we have to find the value of n and p. So here first we write formula for expected value, that E of x is equal to phi, but E of x is nothing but NP is equal to phi. Let us this denote as a equation 1. Then we consider that variance of x given as a 2.5. For variance of x we write formula NPQ is equal to 2.5. Let us this denote as a equation 2. Now dividing equation 2 by equation 1 we get NPQ upon NP is equal to 2.5 upon 5. So here on LHS we cancel NP from numerator denominator, so we left with Q equal to 5 ones are 0 and 5 fives are 25. So we get Q equal to 5 upon 10. That on cancellation we get 5 ones are 5 twos are, so that is 1 by 2. Then since P plus Q is equal to 1, so therefore P equal to 1 minus Q, therefore P equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, therefore P equal to, on cross multiplying we get 1 by 2. Now we need the value of n. So since we have expected value of x is equal to phi, that is NP equal to phi, and we write as it is. For P we substitute the value 1 by 2 into phi, and finally we get n equal to phi into 10, so that gives n equal to 10. So in this way we get P is equal to 1 by 2 and n equal to 10. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.